Hello guys, it's Solo here. Welcome back with another video. So today we have some interesting clips. I hope you enjoy. Thank you for watching and see you on the next one.
Let's show these ladies what gender equality means.
Yeah, we can.
Yeah.
What does
Okay,
that? What does
took
that
me
mean?
a
what do
second
you-
to decipher it, but I
Yeah,
think
what
he
do
means
you-
we need to not hold back at all out of respect.
So we have to beat them up.
Oh, what do I do if he's vlogging me?
There's some evil ass people in here. There's some evil
I
ass
don't know what to
people.
do if he's vlogging me.
Try to walk past. Try to walk past. You just have to walk past. It's the only way.
I really
You have to
tried.
hope
I
that somebody
really
else
tried.
grabs, or he grabs onto someone else. Just gotta hope that he grabs onto someone else.
He saved my life!
Jody!
He saved my life!
Fuck him up!
He saved my life! He actually saved my life! I don't know what he meant to, but he did.
Oh, the nuke. Wait, is that the nuke? Did you guys see John? He was screaming like a madman running at us. What's wrong with him?
Abe, I'm stuck! Stepbro, I'm stuck! Help me, Stepbro!
The jukes.
Oh my god.
Oh.
Wait, what the fuck?
Oh, oh my god.
I got back.
Oh my, John's gonna die. John!
Okay, you have to squish it like that.
That's what good pussy is.
I'm ending the stream. I'm ending the stream. I'm ending the stream. You are a terrible person, and I hate you. I hate you so much.
So ASMR tonight? Anyone? We're not doing ASMR tonight. She's
so freaking adorable. I think she's actually even more affectionate than Peebo was when I first got Peebo. I already updated the Instagram. It's now Peebo and Winry. She's so cute. Hi. She wants to explore because she actually hasn't been in my room yet. This is the first time being in my room. I've been keeping her separately in a different room. Alright, Peebo, get out of there. That's Winry's room. Get out, Peebo.
Irene wanted to join. This is awkward.
He won't. You can just answer.
Irene. Notice how Toastkkuno has much more confidence these days.
Yes?
yeah.
Uh-huh.
I had to beat it into him.
It's not like you're gonna.
I don't think that's
No,
what he
you
did.
can't do it.
I feel like Toast actually is really supportive and helps me believe in myself more.
Aww, I love you two together.
I ship.
Toast?
I
The
ship.
ship is sailed.
Toastkkuno.
Did Toast just say you son of a...
You're a bottom, right?
What? No, I'm jungle.
What?
No, no.
Oh, sorry.
What?
Sorry.
Toast, that's why we're on separate teams, because we both jungle, remember?
Ah, that's gonna be a problem. We can't both be the same position.
Toast, do we play League? Like,
I'm
I
having the
only play
worst
with
visuals
friends.
right now.
Man,
Oh my god.
Oh,
Get these
best
images out of my
video.
head.
Oh, you're having visual bugs?
I'm having
uh,
visual bugs. Yes, IRL.
I think I might be too, actually. Something's wrong with, Oh, never mind. It's fixed. That was weird.
Oh,
All right.
Peter, we get to play against each other.
Shut the fuck up, Chris.
Oh, you guys sound like you're having fun, right? We're all having fun, guys.
Yeah, you gotta grab it. You gotta grab it. I
Yeah,
don't know where
grab
your
it.
grab button is.
Why did I go this route? I don't know.
It's
Oh,
fine.
no,
It's
that's
fine.
fine,
It's
that's
fine. It's
fine. No,
fine. That
that's
route's
perfectly
fine. That
fine,
route's
that's
fine. Oh.
Hit him with your tomato head? Oh, nice dog!
Hit him with your tomato head. What?
That's a big head. Oh! My fucking face! Alright, back.
Smack.
I'll start this from 30 to Jed. Go get it.
Okay, you know what, Jenny? You got this.
Wait,
Good.
that's fucked up! Die!
Okay.
Nice try. Let's set a world record.
Not good. All right, John.
I'm in.
Oh my god, I made it. I made it. I made it.
Nice trick. Let's go.
Good shit, guys. Good shit.
I might make it. I might.
Yeah, 8 left. 8 spots.
Yeah, I might make it.
Tyler makes it too.
No!
Nice. Jump dive, jump dive.
How come I don't see Tyler?
Yeah, no, he's good.
Come on!
Nice!
Let's go!
Let's go on the dive.
Team
there.
game right here, guys. Team fucking game right here.
Yo,
Let's
Muddy,
go!
Team fucking.
What does this say? It says, Happy B-Day Poo Poo Pee Pee from Haas. Russian Soviet Army fur military Cossack Ushanka hat. If anybody is wondering what it is. Thanks, Hasan. I'm gonna go say thanks to him. Thanks for the tanky hat.
This guy grabbed me! This guy grabbed me! No! I'm so... No! I have this gold statue, and I scratch the gold a little bit, and hold on a second, that's not gold underneath. Looks like gold on the outside. Looks normal. But underneath, scratch it a little bit, engage with it a little bit, and inside is Alex. Cringy.
Top, and you're gonna see us rank 1 in a couple minutes here, maybe even to an hour, but we're gonna get there. It'll take a bit of time, but we believe it.
A quick question, can you explain the tie knot you have and like which knot you went for?
Okay, so I don't really know how to do a tie, and I look good with the shirt on. So I Googled how to do a tie, and the tutorial, I think I put my finger somewhere like that, and I flipped it back, and listen, I don't have much of an explanation. I tried my best, okay? I think that's all that should be outlined here. That I tried my best to look.
Oh, fuck.
Ninja, if you're a stream sniper, grief someone else so we can win, you son of a gun. Come on.
What the fuck? I just lagged and I tripped.
Nope, he's going for it. Oh, he is griefing someone.
Yes!
Yes, he
Yes!
did! Oh my god!
Let's go! Let's fucking go!
What?
Let's go! Believe us in!
Keep us in this motherfucker. Let's go.
Fucking
What was that?
the ninja? Dude!
These stupid motherfuckers. They're so fucking stupid. These absolute idiots. How are 30 people gonna sit on the same one and all fall out?
Hey, Soda.
What?
I'd like to see your worm.
What kind of stupid shit just came out of your mouth?
Yeah, take that.
I'd like to see your worm. You know what I mean?
Please blow up Kacey now.
Let's just put this happy little thing over
So we fucking or what?
You're some form of stupid.
I thought you liked that.
Yeah,
Is that what attracts you to me?
Yep, that's exactly it, Kacey. You hit the nail on the head.
Can you stop flirting with Kacey, please? Oh, I'd like to hit the nail on your head, if you know what I mean.
Oh my god.
The thing that sucks about these, like, we're playing fucking Fall Guys, right? We're playing Fall Guys right now. Who gives a fuck, right? But the only thing that sucks when it's any sort of competition, chat is ruthless. Like, the people playing are having a great time, and then chat is ruining everything, right?
I'm ready.
So you guys got to do better, okay? Have fun, watch, don't be a dick, because we're all just having fun, right? We're playing fucking Fall Guys. Don't go over to someone's stream and call them shitty for bringing the team down or something. Like, who the fuck cares? Play Fall Guys.
Some questions for me. Okay. So, do you mind
I think
meeting me out
XQC
at the
needs help with
Cartagena Museum?
wiping. Oh, not again. I'll be right there.
I'm not even fucking good at this shit, dude. It's just a regular gaming skills. You know? You're just so whack. It's insane. I've watched you play. I watch people play this shit. These are pro streamers, dude. Pro streamers. I mean, you would think they're like they're defusing a bomb in a situation where there's a time limit. Like, come on, dude. This shit's not. It's a fucking kids game, dude. It's not that complicated. You just fucking go. You know? I don't know, man. I've watched it myself, though. It's just the way it is, man. These guys that claim they're pro gamers, they're all posers. You take away the aiming and the building, and they don't know what the fuck they're doing. You know, they can't figure out how to put their pants on in the morning. Yeah, alright. Good shit. Pro gamer, huh? It's all good.